Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. Friends, there is a big progress being made on the fourth stimulus package. Lawmakers in Congress have finally agreed to continue to provide more stimulus money to the American people. Starting this week, officials will begin to distribute one-time checks worth up to $1,700. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details that you need to know in regards to these stimulus checks. To say thank you for watching every day, I am giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure you enter the giveaways by clicking and then liking several of my videos and also commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. So friends, here is the breaking news. Financial relief for elderly and disabled Pennsylvanian households is currently on the way for those who received a property tax or rent rebate in 2021. Revenue Secretary Dan Hassel has announced that Pennsylvania residents who filed for a rebate will receive a one-time bonus equal to 70% of the original rebate. The State Department of Revenue began sending out the bonus checks the week of August 24th, which was a week ahead of schedule. The one-time bonuses are part of the governor's law that he signed in early August, which included the property tax and rent rebate. Eligible individuals could receive up to $1,657. The governor's office will use approximately $140 million from the American Rescue Plan for these bonuses. Governor Wolf said in an official statement, "I am proud that bonus rebates are starting to roll out to Pennsylvanians in need this week. These bonus rebates will help older adults and Pennsylvanians with disabilities stay in their homes. People who have received their rebate checks will get a one-time bonus delivered in the same method as requested on the rebate application form, such as direct deposit or paper check. Those who are still waiting on a rebate will receive their refund and the one-time bonus at the same time." Pennsylvania joins numerous other states, such as Connecticut, Illinois, New York, and Rhode Island, in providing rebates or one-time payments to alleviate financial burdens caused by the crisis. Pennsylvania's leadership is also pressuring the state's General Assembly to approve a program that would send $2,000 checks directly to the state's residents. The program, titled the Opportunity Program, will be eligible for household owners with an income of $80,000 or less, and it has already received support from the Democratic members in the House and Senate. Governor Tom Wolf, who has stated the program will offer life-changing difference for families, has called on Pennsylvania's Republican-led General Assembly to support the program. Governor Wolf stated, "Why on earth wouldn't we act to do all of that when we have the funds necessary to make this investment in the people of Pennsylvania right now? I am once again calling on Republican leaders in the General Assembly to send a bill to my desk to help the people of Pennsylvania." The $500 million Opportunity Program was introduced in February early this year and was originally intended to use American Rescue Plan Act funds, but was changed to use general funds instead. Democratic Representative Sarah Innamorato has joined Governor Wolf in encouraging approval of this plan, arguing the $2,000 payment would help millions of families recover from the crisis. She stated, "Working people and families would greatly benefit from this much-needed support to cover the cost of childcare, groceries, back-to-school materials, and other basic household needs." Now, friends, congressional lawmakers have continued to push for student loan forgiveness. The Biden administration finally announced forgiveness of up to $20,000 in federal student loans. However, some say that this will either make inflation worse or will not have much impact at all. The Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget asserts would wipe out the disinflationary benefits of the Inflation Reduction Act, which was passed into law earlier this month. It estimates that the executive action will cost $400 to $600 billion and has previously estimated that $10,000 in forgiveness would add about 0.15% to the personal consumption expenditure price index. The Center for American Progress, which previously called on the White House to cancel at least $10,000 in student debt, also says the impact on inflation will be minor. Even with up to $20,000 in student loan forgiveness, many borrowers will still have monthly debt payments to make when the payment freeze ends. So dear friends, please let me know what your thoughts are on student loan forgiveness. Do you agree with it or disagree? Friends, the keyword for this video is Prince Edward Island. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Prince Edward Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you watch, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways.
And then they boast about that they're not drilling because of it. The truth is, Madam Speaker, is not enough pipelines have been permitted to move the product. If they get it, there's nowhere for it to go. There's no storage capacity. There's no way to move the product. The pipelines have to be completed. And that is part of the master plan here. When has been stated by members on this floor and other times I've heard, $7 a gallon and electric vehicles are in. And that is no way to drive innovation, Madam Speaker. Innovation is driven through creativity, through capitalism, not by crooked politicians and evil folks trying to change the American agenda. Electric cars, they're not affordable yet. Over $50,000 a car, that's ridiculous. You've got over 8 adapters on the plugs. Takes several hours to charge. I don't know if you've ever driven cross country or not with a family, but that's just stopping 8 hours at a truck stop is not my idea of a vacation. Renewables aren't reliable sources for our power grids. The Democrats seem to double down, though, on these crazy woke environmental agenda issues. It just creates higher energy bills for Americans, Madam Speaker, and increases costs for business. That's why everything's up. If you look at the price of fuel, I filled up my daughter's Dodge diesel the other day, and it cost me over $100. Now, why are we doing this to ourselves? We can turn the spigots back on. We can put Americans back to work. We can increase our economy. We can show the world that we are leaders.
Well, my marvelous and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this afternoon. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video. I greatly and truly appreciate every one of you. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.